Oh, here we go. And yes, we got the great bow straight up. I don't need to identify and I can equip it. Hello everybody, Speedrun here once again. Bringing another amazing tutorial today. So in this video I'll be talking about how to identify item drops. It's a cool feature that can help your server, especially if you're having a high rate server. Now, I'm bringing this content because one of my subscribers has commented, do you know how to auto-identify item drop? I added ID none whatever. I remove ID not working for me. Do you know how to make it work? Thanks. So, I want to appreciate Cork once again because he has guided me, and today I'll be trying to do that. First of all, I want to make sure my server is finishing running here. Yes. Now I'm going to my Ragnarok folder and I'm going to client and make sure actually I'm gonna show you in game that when I drop an item, okay, I will need to use magnifier glass to identify. So let me log in first. So I want to lower a little bit of the sound effects. Game settings. Here, sound effects is too loud. Okay. Alright, so let's do an example for you. I'm going to use battle ignore. So like this, the mobs won't attack me. Let me pull the mob ID that I want to summon. So let me see. Yeah, I will try to drop an equipment, okay? So I'll make a bunch of them. And then I'll gonna kill it. Let's see if we get the luck of dropping. Let me go to site contact. This one again. Oh, there you go. Unidentified bulb. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. It's unidentified. So in this case, I would need magnifier glass, right? So if you go back to Terra, I want to make sure everybody understands what I'm doing in this video, okay? To data, I can run off Xenia, that's not a problem. So in this case, I would have to get magnifier and pump, right? Identifiable. Right, that's if you're playing right server, you're right server owner, then you probably want to remove the need of using magnifier glass every single time. In that said, we're going to now fix this. What you're going to do, I'm going to close my server because we will need to recompile our emulator. So what you need to do now is to go source. So first of all, go to source, and then map. And we are going to look for itemdb file. Okay. So itemdb cpp, this exact file. So we're going to open. I'm going to open with Sublime Text. Okay. So I'm going to drop this here, and then I'm going to use the search bar and look for sharp item, and then we pull this part here. So in my case is the line 3320. You need to leave the first line, and if you're using Sublime Text, you can create multiple cursors. Now I'm going to comment this. So all you need to do is you must return a value. So I'm keeping this value here and I'm saving it. Now I'm going to recompile. Since I have touched the source folder, I need to open Retina SLN once again. Every single time I touch the source folder, we need to recompile. So we just did it. Change it to this, right? Now I'm going to right click here and rebuild solution. This moment is very tedious, so I'm going to just fast forward right here and wish for that 15 successful compilations. See you in a bit. Right. After an eternity, we have rebuilt all 15. Alright, it worked. Now I'm going to run server and see if the item drops will be already identified. Alright, let's fast forward once again. Nice, everything loads perfectly. Now let's go ahead and log in. The big moment. Let's see if everything works pretty good. So I'm just going to summon some more art skeleton. So add better at speed 50. Let's go to the same exact spot. Also, this is the unidentified. Oh, let's try to drop another more in other equipment. Okay. And so we're here back to the same place. Let's do add monster. It seems like we dropped something. here we go. And yes, we got the great bow straight up. I don't need to identify and I can equip it. Now let's identify this. And here we go, also same bow. So I hope I answered the question of this subscriber. Great King S1B. Okay. Thanks for all of you that have been commenting on my YouTube. I appreciate. I love comments. If I know how to create a tutorial on what you need to learn, then I'll do it. Okay. Right, so I'm gonna scroll around a few comments just so we can enjoy. We can stop randomly and read it. Okay. It's a lot of great comments. Actually, on my latest video over here, how many comments there is? There's a lot of comments. I'm so happy for this. So if I load this here, 5,524 views since October 23, and 145 comments. That's insane. Okay. Thank you, everybody who is supporting me with this. What else? Let's see on my channel. If you haven't seen this yet, go watch it. It's one of my favorite games of the whole times. And so basically, go watch this. Here is interesting too. Watch this additional tutorial. This crypto token is going to the moon. Okay, right now it's too up. If you're on crypto, don't buy it now. Just give some time. It's gonna correct. I'm not sure about this token. Anyway, we're talking about Ragnarok, so this is amazing content, guys. I was uploading the BGMs. It takes so much effort, but I'll continue to do this later on. Check my custom maps. Also join my Discord, ladies and gentlemen. Join my Discord, okay? I'm just going to scroll so you can see how many cool videos I've posted to you guys. Almost 3 a.m. Alright, so that's pretty much it for now. I hope you enjoy this content and see you on the next one. Bye bye.